Hi everybody, today I'll show you how to create search bar in Elementor. So let's begin. Alright, so to create the search bar, what we need to do, first thing we have to go inside the plugins and click on the add new plugin. Here you will search for HT Mega. Okay, so as you can see here, I have already installed and activated HT Mega plugin. After this, what I need to do, I have to go inside the dashboard of our HT Mega. So here you can see the option of the element. So we have to click on this, and here we have to search for the search option. Okay, so if I just scroll down, you will be able to see the search option. So by default, it is disabled. So you need to enable this first. So I'm going to enable this and click on save settings. And after this, what we need to do, we need to have the custom header that we have already built. But if you want to build the custom header, you need to install the plugin here. So for that, we're going to go back and click on add new plugin. Okay, so for the custom header, either you can use Elements Kit. Alright, so either you can use the Elements Kit Elementor add-ons, or you can also install Element Header and Footer. Alright, so as you can see here, we have Elementor Header and Footer Builder. So you can install any of these plugins. So I have installed and activated Elementor Header and Footer Builder, and I have also built the header into it. So now what I need to do, I have to go inside the appearance, and now you'll be able to see the option of Elementor Header and Footer Builder. So we have to click on this. So here, since we have already created our header, so I'll just simply click on Edit with Elementor. Alright, so as you can see here, we are inside the Elementor editor, and this is what we have built in our header. So basically we have our logo, and after this we have this menu and nothing else. Okay, so now we're gonna add our search bar. So let's search for search bar here, and you can see this, we have the search bar. So you'll be able to see two options. The first one would be by the header and footer builder. So we don't have to use this one. We have to use the search bar that comes with the HT Mega. Okay, so let's drag this and put this here. And here you will be able to see the style placeholder text. You can see the button icon type. So if you wanted to have the text here, you can simply have the text here. But if you wanted to have the icon here, you can simply select the icon. And from here, if you wanted to change the icon, you can also do this. Okay, but right now we're gonna go here with the search icon, because that is what we are doing here. So here, let's just change the placeholder text. So I'm going to write down search here, and you can see that we have the different styles here. Okay, so we can explore the different styles here. So let's click on the second one. This is how the second one is looking. So if I just click on the third one, this is how the third one is looking. And after this, we have the fourth one. This is how it is looking. And in the last, we have this style 5. Okay. So I think I would go here with the style 3. Alright. And one thing that I need to do here in the style 3, that I have to increase the width of it. So how can we do this? We'll simply go into the style. And here you can see the option of the input. So let's click on this. And here you can see that we have the min width to the 50%. So I'm going to simply change this to the 100%. Now you'll be able to see our search bar with a 100% width. Okay. So from here, you can see that we have the different options. So we have the search box style, we have the input, and we have the submit button. So in the search box style, you basically have the 3 options. We have the margin, we have the padding, and we have the alignment. And in the input, you have a lot of the different options. So if you wanted to change the text color here, you can simply do this. And if you wanted to change the placeholder color here, you can simply do this. So I would like to change the placeholder text here. Now you will be able to see that we are changing our placeholder text. So I'm going to simply go here with the blue color. Okay, so let's change the color here. And I would go here with this one. This is looking okay. All right. Similarly, we can change the background type, and we can add the margin. We can add the padding. We can change the height of it. And after this, we have the border radius. And in the last, we have the submit button. So in the submit button, you can see here we have the font size. So if I just increase the font size, you will be able to see the change in the size of our icon. So we're going to go here with the default value. And after this, we have the background type, and then we have the margin. So if you want to add the margin to your submit button, you can simply do this. If you want to add the padding, we can also do this. And if you wanted to change the width and the height of it, we can also do that. And in the last, we have the border type. So if you wanted to add the border radius to this, that can also be done from here. Okay, so let's try to change the background color here. So now you'll be able to see that we are having a different color on our submit button. Okay, so you can simply have a different color here, and also you can change the border radius. So let's just go here with 20%. So this is how it's going to work. But right now I'm going to simply go with the default values, and I would undo the color here. So let's clear this. Okay, so now let's just update this. And if you go back to our website, so let's click here and click on the view page. You will be able to see our header with our search bar. Okay, so this is how it is looking. And if I just go to our website directly, we'll still have our header here with our search bar. Okay, so this is how I can write down the things, and this is how I can search the things in our search bar. And it is working perfectly. So if you really find this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.